If there's only one thing you learn about music production today, let's take a closer look at those two wheels on the side of your keyboard, because they can do much more than just add a touch of vibrato or shift your notes by a whole tone. We are talking about the pitch bend and mod wheel, and in today's jaw-dropping episode of SoundSnacks, we'll explore how to give static sounds more character by using them. The pitch bend wheel changes the pitch of your sounds, while the mod wheel can serve various functions, most commonly adding a bit of vibrato. When you gently adjust the pitch bend or mod wheel while playing your MIDI notes, you can give your sounds an organic, almost human feel, similar to a guitarist bending the strings. This way you quickly add subtle drifts that give your virtual instruments a noticeable boost in character, and if it's too much you can always dial it back later in the DAW. Do you know any great examples of keyboard solos that creatively use this technique? Let me know in the comments and have fun creating.